Hi, hello, hi there. My name is Martin Husselvek, and I'm a lawyer, history enthusiast, and perpetual migrant. Together with my wife, we run a consultancy to help people who want to reconnect with their Slovak roots. And as I said, I'm a migrant myself. I live in Slovakia, Košice, and I super commute to London, where I work as a law professor at the London School of Economics. So my wife and I have been helping people through our consultancy, Zip Citizenship, to help people to get citizenship by descent for quite a while now. And we already helped more than 500 people through our free services that you can find on our website, and also through numerous paid services. We managed to help people to get the citizenship. But what we also learned is that there's a lot of crap out there. There's a lot of bad advice, a lot of expensive advice that is perhaps too expensive. And we wanted to make the citizenship by descent more affordable because we believe in the cause. We believe that it's great if people can reconnect with their country. And so we thought how to make this possible. And in this, I thought I can connect my strength, which is teaching, with the strength of the internet. And that is, I put together an online course that is very affordable. You can access it anytime you want. And it will teach you how essentially to apply for citizenship by descent on your own. So hopefully Slovak Citizenship by Descent after this course becomes much more affordable and available. Now, what is this course really? This course is essentially a bunch of video lectures that teach you from the A to B, the entire process. I break it into 5 sections, which I'll explain in a second. I'll provide you with numerous forms, templates, links, tips and tricks. There's a lot of information from the practice that we basically use on a daily basis. What we believe that this course can do for you, once you're done with the course, you will be able to submit your application for citizenship. You will be able to understand the process, which means that you will have all the forms, templates, and processes quite clearly in front of you. You are able to speed things up because our tips and tricks will save you money and resources. And even if you're not able to submit on your own, you will be able to understand what questions to ask, what services you need, how much they usually cost, etc. So hopefully no one takes advantage of you. So if you look at the structure of the course that we have prepared for you, first we look at the pros and cons of the citizenship. We explain not just the rights that you get, but also a little bit the obligations. We explain who is eligible, what are the basic rules, how many people have succeeded so far with some statistics. We explain the application process really from A to B. What is the timeline, where to go, what to avoid, which is the most effective route, which is the less expensive route, how to prepare the application, how and when to lodge the documents, what translation services to use, how to save money on your translation, and finally how to prove your key claim, which is your ancestry to someone who had a Czechoslovak citizenship. So, and we finish all of this with a bunch of tips and tricks, really that save you money and save you time. I hope that this is something that will help, and we're looking for your feedback. But in any case, we put our heart into this, and we really hope that this will make the application process much more streamlined, because I understand the legalese can be confusing and the application practice can be very confusing. And again, there's a lot of bad advice out there, and we're hoping that this will make it much more affordable. So go try it out and let us know what you think.